Hey guys, so we have some major news and I am super bullish on Bitcoin and on crypto right now because we have so much happening behind scenes in the background that most people don't know about. And first of all, let's check the prices. So Bitcoin is actually going up from 4,080. Actually, it went to 85,000 few minutes ago. Here we can see we basically went to 84. Actually it was 85, but here it doesn't show it. So we are basically pumping a little bit right now on Sunday, which is quite great. Ethereum over 2000 that I like. Why I like it is because Dogging Me is obviously pumping all the base meme coins, and this will be listed on Coinbase soon. Here you can see we have a basically pumping back from the recent highs. Here you can see the 1 month chart. We went up to, in market cap, let's see, in market cap, we went to 114, right now at 86 million, 87 million. So I still think we will go up because we still don't have the listing and people are expecting big things. Many people think this is sell the news event. I don't think so. I think we will do similar to Toshi. Base God as well is going up, actually going down a little bit, but looking at the fact that we have some Bitcoin going up, Ethereum over 2000, I think the base God will go up as well. Now let's see for the main news is Fidelity's digital US dollar goes live on May 30 on Ethereum. So Ethereum is being used by BlackRock, Donald Trump. Basically, everyone is using Ethereum as the main decentralized platform for crypto. That's why the current prices are really, really low. I think we will go to 10,000 maybe this year, because once everyone turns bullish, all these news will matter. People will be FOMOing into the Ethereum. And yes, Fidelity manages 5.8 trillion in assets, which is insane. And this is a weird time because institutions are actually in crypto and the retail, the normal people are not in the crypto. That's what everyone was waiting in the previous years. But right now, as the institutions are buying, no one seems to be here. But I still think this is a matter of time. And what else we have? This I think is fake news. So if Bitcoin goes to 90,000, for example, today, 4 billion worth of Bitcoin shorts will be liquidated, which will be insane. Maybe this happens, maybe not. I don't think it will happen, but I think there will be a day when we will see a huge uptrend, and sooner than later, in my opinion. And that's when most of the shorts will be basically liquidated. It will be insane. Next thing I want to show you is global liquidity is basically going up, and what will happen is that Bitcoin usually follows global liquidity and it lags by 4 weeks, maybe 6 weeks, 7 weeks. So we could see Bitcoin going up significantly in April, late April, maybe May, depending on news, maybe even faster if the new Trump administration brings some huge news. Next thing is this. BlackRock Ethereum assets under management surpasses $1 billion, which is insane. Look at this chart. So they are basically, they have their fund where normal people can invest by buying the BUIDL token, which is backed by, I think, USDC, USDT. And here you can see. And why they are buying is because they can get some great APRs, APYs, basically some percents back by holding the this BUIDL token. That's why investors are trusting BlackRock, the biggest corporation in the world. And yeah, it is being built on Ethereum. And why it is being built on Ethereum is because Ethereum is decentralized. And yeah, many people think that fees are high for BlackRock. This is basically zero. They don't care about $20, even $100 or $200 fees. That's why Ethereum will be the rich people chain in the long term, the corporation chain, because again, it is the most decentralized basically network blockchain that has basically smart contracts, and it is the first one. I don't know about any other. I know Solana is the meme coin chain. So we have the main chain, which is Ethereum, the digital gold, the currency is Bitcoin, and the meme coin chain is Solana. So next thing is, here you can see BlackRock, head of digital assets, believes negativity surrounding Ethereum is overdone. And I agree. It doesn't make sense for Ethereum to be this low, but it makes sense that normal people cannot get in because the fees are high. Right now the fees are low, by the way, but as the more people will get back in, the fees will get higher. And I think that's why the attraction for Ethereum is not that high from the retail and normal crypto people. Because if you are trading on daily basis, you don't want to spend that much money on fees. But for the big guys, the fees doesn't matter. I think the fees are still lower than for banks and for huge institutions. And if you want to, for example, buy something worth billions of dollars, it is really cheap on Ethereum, because for the banks and institutions, it probably costs thousands of dollars to do transactions with millions and billions in dollars. So yeah, that's basically the main things that I am really bullish. And most people don't see these news. They just see some hacks, some basically North Korea stealing billions of dollars in Ethereum and swapping to Bitcoin. But overall, really bullish. These are my main holds. And I am not holding the basically regular meme coins. I'm holding the ones that will be listed on Coinbase, because that's what you can predict a little bit. You cannot predict some random influencer shill that is most obviously dumping as they basically start talking about it. So that's my way of buying meme coins. So yeah, again, one more alpha. I'm posting daily on Patreon. All these news and more, all the opportunities, whitelists, mints, everything I see that is valuable, I'm posting on Patreon first, only then on YouTube, because it takes me time to post on YouTube. But overall, really bullish on this space. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press that notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.